Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Windows installer could not be accessed safe mode in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up any of your browser that is available in your Windows or computer. So just have to bring up any of your favorite browser. In my case, I'll be using my Google Chrome browser. So double tap and wait until you are being redirected to your browser that you have just opened, or you can simply use the button search bar and search for it. Okay. So what once you are here at the browser that you have opened, you need to paste this link, which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to copy it, Control C to copy, and paste it here at the Windows search bar, Control V to paste. And once you have the pasted it, you need to press enter to proceed. So wait until you are being redirected to the list of result or to the result itself, okay? So you would be able to be redirected at the mediafire.com website where you can see an attachment link where it has this option download where you can download this zip file. Now you need to click on it to download and wait until you'd be redirected to the downloaded of this file. Okay. So it will take only less than a minute since it only contains a lesser amount of size here in our Windows. In fact, it only contains 1407 byte. Okay. So just have to wait until a file folder will be appearing here. Now, once it's here, click on it. And the moment click on it, you would be redirected to the location where it is being saved or being placed to. Okay. Now here, you need to do a right click, please. Scroll down and go with extract to Victor Explains, which is the name of this file. Okay. So just have to wait until it will be extracted. And once it's here, double tap it and here you'd be able to see a registration entries, which is WI. Double tap it once again, and your user account control will ask you to say yes, yes, and then click on yes. Okay. Once done, simply close this window and close your browser as well and check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.